Westermans here with a new bit of stock that's arrived. I say new, it's actually used, but condition when it's been serviced will be as new. It's a Ready Arc 10-ton welding positioner with adjustable height. There's adjustable height variation from 1 metre 580 up to 1 metre 980 on a peg system. It's obviously controlled with a pendant, variable speed, power tilt up and down. This machine carrying capacity is 10,000 kilos and centre of gravity is 300 millimetre. Overall weight of the machine is approximately 6 tonne. Supplied by Spectrum Welding originally from Ready Arc. Main supply 415 volts. The actual weight itself is 5,100 kilos. Voltage 380, 400 volts, plus or minus 10%. And you can see a very nice welding positioner. Tabletop, again, very nice condition. This is in full tilt mode at the minute. Just add a little bit of tabletop tilt, down, back up again. I mentioned it, but the tabletop is 1 metre 800 in diameter with sensing rings also. We'll bring it back to the horizontal position. Other position is actually in stock also. Smaller ones going from 50 kilo up to 20,000 kilos. And obviously a selection of rotators. You can see more details on westermans.com on machines that we carry in stock. This machine would also be available for hire. I thought then the fire alarm was going, so I thought we were going to have to move out and stop filming, but we're still okay to go. I'll carry on filming. The fixture on the faceplate will be removed unless required. As you can see, even inside, the machine is quite clean. I'd estimate possibly about 5 years old. Once the table is in the horizontal position, I'll try the variable speed just to confirm that's actually working. Table now, we shall just give it a little bit of variable speed on there. As you can see, variable speed working fine, and then back up again. Earthing point on this would be 800 amps. Overall size of this machine is approximately 2 meters 400 by 1 meter 850 by 2 meters 500, and it has a table speed of 0.5 to 0.05 RPM, I think, which is possibly also shown on the inverter in the back of the machine. As I say, more details can be found on the website. Thank you for looking.